Adaptive Cruise Control with Low-Speed Follow, or ACC, is part of Honda Sensing, our intelligent suite of safety and driver-assistive technologies. ACC maintains a set following interval behind detected vehicles. It can even bring the vehicle to a stop and resume following again. ACC uses a windshield-mounted camera to gauge the distance of a detected vehicle ahead. ACC then sets the appropriate throttle position and can even apply braking to maintain a preferred following interval. To start the system, press the ACC button on the steering wheel. A white ACC icon will appear in the Driver Information Interface, or DII. Press either side of the Res Plus Set Minus switch to set the cruise speed. If your current speed is below or at 25 miles per hour, the speed will be set to 25 miles per hour. If you press the button while driving above 25 miles per hour, the cruise speed will be set to the current speed. In either case, the ACC icon will turn green. In addition, a vehicle icon, interval bars, and the set speed will appear in the DII. If no vehicle is detected ahead, the vehicle icon will appear as an outline. When a vehicle is detected ahead, the vehicle icon will fill in. If the vehicle detected ahead stops, your vehicle will slow and stop as well. A stopped message will appear in the DII. When the vehicle detected ahead resumes driving, the vehicle icon will start blinking. Press the Res Plus Set Minus switch up or down, or the accelerator to resume operating up to the previously set speed. To increase or decrease the set speed by 1 mile per hour, press the Res Plus Set Minus switch briefly up or down. To increase or decrease your set speed by 5 miles per hour, press and hold the switch. To change the following interval, repeatedly press the interval button. It will cycle through the choices. To cancel ACC, do any of the following. Step on the brake pedal or press the cancel button. The ACC icon will turn from green to white, or press the ACC button and the ACC icon will disappear. To switch from ACC with low-speed follow to conventional cruise control, press and hold the interval button for 1 second. To switch back, follow the same step. See your vehicle's owner's manual for more details or go to owners.honda.com for a downloadable version.